So first step that we need to do is to download a code editor. This is a website of Visual Studio Code, the code editor of Microsoft, and it is one of the most popular code editors now that developers use to develop applications on JavaScript. It is for free. We need just to click here to download for Mac, or you will see your operation system here. It can be like Windows or Linux. Click and install it. After installation, you will see this interface. So click here, open folder, or just here, open folder. And I will click on my JavaScript course folder and open. Trust the authors because it is ours. And here we see the interface like this. Let's create our first HTML file, new file, and index HTML. Yes, first we need to create an HTML file. Let's create some basic HTML template. Now we need to understand how to connect JavaScript to HTML to use it in the web browser. And the second step, we need to create a JavaScript file. Let's create script.js. Now we have two files, JavaScript and index.html. I'll make it bigger. And now let's try to connect our script file. We need to create a tag script. And here we need to write source and add the path to our script.js file. And in this way, we can connect the JavaScript file to the script tag, to the HTML file. There's also another way. You can connect a library from website, some other JavaScript library to your HTML file. This is an external file. And also third way to use JavaScript, you can just write script tag and write something here inside of the script tag. I would like to mention, if you will have a source attribute in your script tag and you will write some console log inside, you will always get this console log and your source will be ignored because this code will override the code that is in this file in source attribute. So if you want to have like external script, just use one, or here inside script tag, or here. But in most cases, we always use like some external file connected to HTML. It's not a real life use case to write a JavaScript into script tag. Now I will just remove all my other script and we'll try to run something, write something here into script tag. The first thing, let's understand what is console log. Let's open the browser. Let's click here, reveal in the Finder, and here we can find our two files, the index.html and JavaScript. Let's click on the index.html, and we see in our browser that there is an empty HTML file. Do right click and inspect, and here let's go to the tab console, and as we can see here is an empty tab. There is nothing here. We can write something, but now we don't need to write. Let's check what will be if we will write something in console log. I will put it here, like more left, and this is on the right side. So I will write console log hello world and save it. And let's refresh. And as we can see in the browser, we can see our hello world. It is very logical. This is the console. And here we're writing console.log, like do log. To print something, it means in the programming like slang, it is logging. And here we need to put these symbols to write string, to write text. And here we can find hello world, our text, like save. And as you can see, it is here. Congratulations, you just wrote your first JavaScript code. On the next video, we are going to learn what are variables, how to define them, and how to use them.